Okay, for the diamond roll, you're gonna want inside arm nice and high. You're gonna want bottom arm with index finger pointing down, pushing the floor down and away. It's almost like pirouette. Okay, so we're going to flip the top hand, put your imaginary watch on the back of the pole, internally rotate that shoulder, get underneath it, start shifting, and we're going to be opening our legs in a diamond shape. Pull from the top, lean the shoulder against the pole, push from the bottom. This is your support. Your entire support is in the upper body. Points of contact with the floor are going to be the the outer edges of both heels, and then we are going to be opening the knees out to the side. And then as we're sweeping to the other side, we're going to bring the knees together and finish and close in a controlled manner. Here we go. Inside arm up. Watch. Spank the pole on the booty. Come through. Start opening, pushing into the outer edges of the shoe. Check your shape here. Make sure you like it. Put your inside knee down first. Outside knee is going to meet as you release the bottom arm off the pole. Knees together. Keep pushing. Turn and finish. I just want to take a second to show you what it looks like from the back view. So inside arm high, bottom arm down. We're going to be pushing. Start pivoting on your knees, transitioning into your diamond by opening the top leg first, getting onto the outer edge, pushing into both heels, pushing that shoulder against the pole, landing the right first, or the inside knee first, then the outside knee, knees together, keep pushing, finish, and down. Very important that you check your shape, make sure it's a nice pretty diamond shape. Use a mirror or use your phone and record yourself and make sure that you are creating those pretty lines that we are always kind of looking for.